Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina and I do beauty videos, mostly hair, some makeup, and also challenges with my family. So today I'm going to be showing you my April favorites. I haven't done a favorites video since January. That was like the first time I ever filmed one and the last because, I don't know. I think just when I kind of remember to do one, it's kind of like in the middle of the month to where it's like, wait a minute, do I do it for the last month, or is now it going to this month already? I don't know. I feel like it's still pretty early on in the month where I can do an April favorite. Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. If you want to see what I've been using for all of April, keep watching. So yeah, I don't know if there's like a traditional way to do these videos. Like, I don't know if you're only supposed to stick to one, you know, category, like if it's supposed to be just hair or just makeup or just whatever, but I'm just going to show you guys what I've been using for the month of April. The first thing is lotion. I've been using this Vaseline. I say Vaseline. I feel like people say it differently, but I say Vaseline. Intensive Care Advanced Repair Healing Moisture Lotion. This isn't my lotion, actually. This is my boyfriend's, but I started using it on me and my daughter because I like that it's not greasy, number one. I mean, it is a little slippery, I guess, if you use too much, but that's with any lotion. But it's not greasy, and it's not like a lotion to where you put it on like your skin for, like, you know, it's hard to like really rub it in. It really does relieve dry skin. I can definitely tell a difference in me and my daughter from using this. Like right here it says transform skin from very dry to healed in 5 days. Yeah, I like it. It really moisturizes, it's not greasy, and I feel like it lasts all day. Like a lot of lotions I use, I feel like I have to like reapply throughout the day, and with this I feel like you're good for the whole day. The next thing is this Skin Fix foaming oil cleanser. I got this last year from Gen Beauty, and I got a bunch of them actually. I think I got maybe like 6 or 7 bottles of these, like little testers. I really like it. I feel like it kind of keeps my skin calm. It really kind of prevents any breakouts. I don't really think that's what it's for. Dermatologist recommended. Natural sulfate-free cleansers leave skin soft and hydrated with jojoba and macadamia oils for all skin types. Yeah, so I mean, I'm sure it's supposed to replenish your skin, but I feel like it kind of keeps like my acne and my breakouts and everything, you know, at bay. Kind of prevents more acne from coming, I guess, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's what it does, but I've been using it and I really like it. So the next thing I've been obsessing over are these there's like glitter and eyeshadow on it. Okay, the next thing I've been obsessing over are these Miss Adoro lashes. I actually purchased a pair for the first time from the Hush app. If you're not aware of that site, I'll link it down below. But it's basically like a beauty site, and it has like all the, you know, a couple of name brands and probably brands that you might not have heard of. But it has a bunch of beauty stuff on it, and at really great prices. So again, I'll link that down below. But I had ordered these with some liquid lip glosses that I had bought. And I actually won another 2 pair of these in a giveaway that I won from Leanne V. And also, if you haven't checked that video out, I'll link it down below. But I really love these. I had to cut them. Like, they're a little bit longer than this, but I had to cut these just because they were too long for my eye. And whenever I would try to put them on, it would kind of be like hanging off or kind of bothering me. So I had to cut them, but I really love them. Like, I think they're the perfect like length and volume. Like, it's dramatic but not too dramatic, if that makes sense. They're the Miss Adoro #1 lashes. Next 2 things I've been loving are these ColourPop Super Shot Shadows. I also won these in my giveaway with Leanne. I'll post it down below. But yeah, it's like a gold and like, I don't know, I guess like a rose gold color. I hope it's focusing. If not, I'll put a picture in the video. But yeah, it's like a gold color and a rose gold color, and I'm really been loving these. I will usually put like concealer over my eye where I'm gonna put my eyeshadow, and then put these over, and they look so pretty. I'm not like too adventurous with makeup. I'm still learning, so these are definitely like bold for me. I know you're probably like, what? But yeah, these are bold for me, but I really love them. Like, it's bold, but it's not too bold. That makes sense. A lot of things I'm saying aren't making sense, I think, but hopefully you get it. And the last thing that I've been obsessing over are these Maui Moisture products. I have the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo, the Maui Moisture shea butter conditioner, and the Maui moisture. Why did I didn't have to say the name 3 times. The detangler leave-in. Before I purchased them, I heard a lot of good reviews about them, but I was scared to buy it, number one, because they're really expensive and it's pretty small. Like, I think not on sale, they're like maybe $9 or almost $10 each, but Ulta had a sale, and I believe it was buy one get one free, or buy 2 get 1 free, maybe buy 2 get 1 free, something like that. But I know like buy 1 get 1 free. And then I also had like a $3, you know, Ulta always has coupons, so I used that. So I believe I paid maybe $15 for this. Yeah, I think $15 for these 3. And honestly, I don't regret it. I've been loving this. Like, my hair lately has felt so moisturized. Like, you probably can't tell on camera, but my hair has felt so moisturized, so shiny. My hair doesn't feel weak like it did before. I don't know, it just feels like stronger. It could be too because I cut my hair recently, so obviously when you cut your hair, I got rid of all the dead weight, and now I have the, you know, the stronger hair that has grown in, that doesn't have, you know, much color and stuff done to it, like color, heat damage. As far as like how shiny and kind of strong my hair looks, I feel like that's due to the Maui moisture. Again, at first I thought like these bottles were really small, but honestly a little bit goes a long way, and I love that. Like, especially for hair products. Like, I'm a freelance wedding hairstylist, so the products I buy are not super expensive, but they are a little expensive. Like my Kenra hairsprays are like almost $20 each, but a little bit goes a long way. So I don't mind paying, you know, the extra money if it's something that, number one, is great quality, and number two, that is really gonna give me a bang for my buck. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm gonna spend money on something, I want it to be really good quality. You know, a lot of things, even like you know, blow dryers, curling irons, or anything, shampoo, conditioner, a lot of things are overpriced and the quality sucks. I'm scared to like spend money on something and not like it, but luckily everything I buy I usually love. I mean, I do have some misses, but for the most parts I usually like everything that I buy. I've been using this for a couple months. Can remember, I'll put it in the video if I can remember exactly when I bought it. But you can see my conditioner. Obviously, I always use more conditioner than I use shampoo. I think everybody pretty much uses conditioner more than you use shampoo, just because to get my tangles and everything out requires more conditioner. Even so, I've had this small bottle for a couple months and I've used this much of it. When I use it to condition my hair, I use maybe like this much or so, and it really gets all my tangles out. The smell is great. The smell is amazing. Like, it smells really good. Yeah, this says it's for dry, damaged hair, soft and quench repair, creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, pure macadamia oil, silicone free, which is really good. Apparently there's no mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfated surfactants. A synthetic dye, no oils, it's vegan, eco-friendly, pure coconut water, pure aloe juice. I mean, I love anything with coconut, with shea. Yeah, so the shampoo and conditioner I love, and then the leave-in detangler. As soon as you put it in, it really does take out your tangles, like no joke. I purchased everything in this video, like it's not sponsored at all, and I would never suggest anything that I really didn't love myself, because I hate buying something that's been like advertised like crazy, you know, and promoted and said like, oh, it really works, it's the best thing, and when you get it, it sucks, you know, and it's really bad quality, and now you just spent all this money for something that sucks, and I hate that. So I would never, you know, suggest anything to anybody that I really didn't love myself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are all the products that I've been obsessing over for the month of April. If you want to continue seeing me do more April favorites, just comment down below. It'll give me more incentive and more motivation to keep filming them. If there's any other videos you want to see, comment down below. I know people were asking for more story times, like scary story times, I guess. I do have a couple more, but if it's something you guys aren't interested in, I won't share it. But if you are, I'm more than willing to. If there's any hair related videos you want to see me do, just comment down below, let me know. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. And if you want to continue seeing my videos, make sure to hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. See you guys next time. Bye!